Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and we've reached lesson 4 of our beginner crochet course. Now I've done a swatch here using aran weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook, and I've just done several rows of single crochet to make this swatch. I've got 18 stitches all the way across, and you can count them to check, and I'm going to show you how to increase and how to decrease. So let's start off by doing some single crochet just to remind ourselves how they go. I've done one turning chain from the previous row, and I'm going to start my single crochet in this little triangle just here. Remember, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and we'll do 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'm going to look at the next 2 stitches because I'm going to do my decrease on this side. And to decrease, we start our single crochet as normal, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now instead of finishing that stitch, we're going to insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're going to do yarn over and pull through all 3 on our hook. So the effect is that instead of having, let me take my hook out, instead of having 2 stitches, we've only got 1 for the 2 below. Let's just do another one so it will then become obvious. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook again into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 stitches which were on your hook, and that has created this little pull here which decreases the width of our little sample here. So that's a decrease. I'm just going to put a stitch marker at the beginning of the decrease. Now further along, I'm going to do an increase. Let's do 5 more stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to increase, I'm going to insert my hook, do a single crochet as normal, and then I'm going to do another single crochet in the same space. Let's do that again. Insert your hook, 1 single crochet, insert your hook, another single crochet. So you can see that I've got this slightly extra bit which makes the work flare out a bit, and that's increasing. So that's pretty easy to spot because you've got these 2 holes just here that are slightly bigger than the holes that are in the row below because you've got more stitches. Let's finish the row and I'll turn my work and we'll do this again. So can we spot where those 2 sets of increase are? They're just here and just here. So I'm going to do in that pair there some more increasing. So I'm going to do 3 single crochet. This is just a sample, so you don't need to be too precise about exactly where I'm showing you. So that's 3 in the normal way. I'm going to do 1 more, and then I'm going to do an increase. Then it will become very obvious how it looks. So 2 single crochet into the same stitch is 1 increase. So 1 becomes 2. Let's do that again. 2 single crochet into the same stitch is 1 single crochet increase. 1 becomes 2. So now you can see how my work is starting to flare out. And that gives the increase. And you might use this in a garment where you're trying to make a shape for slightly wider bit over some hips. Now let's do the decrease. Now we've marked where we did the decrease before. Let's do a couple of decreases. We'll work our way across in the normal way. Just across here. And we'll go to the right hand side of this stitch marker. We're going to decrease. Now remember, the decrease is insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and do exactly the same thing again, turning 2 into 1. I'll just remove that stitch marker because it's going to get in the way. I find them very fiddly. Try not to use them too often. And then we yarn over and pull through all 3, so 2 becomes 1, like the song. A Spice Girls song. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Let's finish the row, turn over and have a look at our work and see the effect of our increasing and decreasing. Turning it over. So we can see that our increasing has caused this to flare out, and the decreasing is causing our work to squish in and become tighter. If I went on and on doing this, it would be obvious how my work was going to look. So there you have it. That's how to do a single crochet decrease, 2 stitches become 1, and an increase, 1 stitch becomes 2. I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's a playlist of all my beginner crochet lessons. Just look out for that. And I'll put a link to that playlist in the description below. And check back next, because in our next lesson, I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet, which is one of my favourite stitches. Take care. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, press that bell and the thumbs up, and I'll speak to you very soon. Have a good day. Bye.